Both avocado and eggs are highly nutritious foods, but their health benefits depend on your dietary needs and goals. Let's compare them across different aspects. 1. Nutritional profile. Avocado 100 grams, approximately 160 kcal. 15 grams fat, mostly healthy monounsaturated fats, 2 grams protein, 9 grams carbs, 7 grams fiber, rich in potassium, vitamin K, folate, and antioxidants. Egg 100 grams or approximately to large eggs, approximately 143 kcal, 10 grams fat including some saturated fat, 13 grams protein, almost no carbs, high in choline, vitamin B12, and essential amino acids. 2. Health benefits. Avocado, great for heart health, digestion, high fiber, and skin due to healthy fats and antioxidants. Helps with weight management due to its fiber content. Eggs, high-quality protein for muscle growth, brain health, choline, and eye health, lutein and zeaxanthin. Supports weight loss due to its high satiety. 3. Cholesterol and heart health. Avocado has no cholesterol and helps lower LDL bad cholesterol while increasing HDL good cholesterol. Eggs contain cholesterol approximately 186 milligrams per egg, but research suggests moderate consumption doesn't significantly impact heart disease risk for most people, which is healthier. For heart health and fiber, avocado wins. For protein and muscle building, eggs are superior. For weight loss, both are great. Eggs offer more protein, while avocado provides fiber and healthy fats. If possible, incorporating both into your diet gives you a balanced mix of nutrients.